I love you. What you doing, Bubba's? Oh. Oh.
Oh, did you just flip me off again?
Mom. Dada?
Yeah.
Oh, you just shit your pants.
Say hi, everyone.
Layla, what do you think about Tom Brady? Do it.
Yeah. Oh.
What did Julie do?
Baby boot.
She let us.
Baby shirt.
She shart?
Huh?
Did she shart?
Baby shirt.
Oh. What else? That was a big fart. Yeah.
No poop.
You didn't poop?
Baby poop.
Anyone else?
Say hi, Sarah. Oh, that was lovely. She shart?
Baby shirt.
Oh. She... Good morning, Mimi. Whoa. My Sophie and my Ella.
That was poop.
Good morning, beautiful. Buongiorno. Sei svegliata? Dopo te lo scorreggio.
Oh, that's how you say hello?
Dolly, get away. Get away.
Hey, who do you think you are?
I've got to cook some chicken. You stay inside. No, you're going to stay inside. You're going to stay inside. I'm going to cook the chicken.
Britta, what does a duck say?
Damien, are you falling asleep?
Are you really falling asleep, Simeon?
No, you're dead.
I don't think that does what you think it does.
Of course you would baby out because this is just like pool hopping all over again.
I don't see what was fun about that.
Where is it? Where's your sucker?
You're sticking him. Look. Look. It's right here.
There it is.
No, no. Cameron. No, no. Is Wally taking you for a ride? Wait, what?
Lucia, what do you think about the game?
The end. You can go throw it away. Where do you throw it? In the trash can?